Hello, this is Doris from Machinery. Today I'm introduce our 500-liter pneumatic dispersing can for perfume production to you. The material is stainless steel 316. This is the manhole cover, and this one is the sealing strip. It can prevent the dust, the water vapor, even the bacteria from entering to the tank. This is the pneumatic motor, and this device is for the clean and locate inside. This is the clean ball. It can rotate 360 degrees to clean the tank body. And this one is the mixer. The speed can be up to 1,440 RPM. We can add the speed here and install. And this is the supporting leg, which is very rock solid to support the whole tank body. And it also equipped with the movable caster. You can lock it with this press. And this is the handle. You can move the tank. And this is our pilot system, the angle flame valve. The bottom is the discharger. You can link with the pneumatic diaphragm pump to discharge the product.